Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be unboxing NCT 127's their puzzle packages. So as you can see, I have the group one and then Doyoung's version. So I mean, there's not much really to see, but I decided to unbox it anyways in case anyone was curious. So yeah, I will start with the group version first. I'm so excited these came in. I don't know if I will be actually building the puzzle. I think I want to if I can find a puzzle frame. But yeah, I impulse bought these as usual, as with all my purchases. So here is the front. It's a side. Then this. And then the back. It is very thick, if you can tell. So, just open. Okay. Ooh. So, here's the puzzle. All wrapped up nicely. And now, here's the things that actually matter. So, you get a poster, a folded poster obviously. So since it's the group version, I have the group version poster, which I will show later. And then, oh, what is this? Oh, I didn't know it came with this. It came with like puzzle glue to keep it together. Oh, I did not expect this. Okay. And then here's all the other stuff that you get. If anyone knows where I can find a puzzle picture frame for a good price, please let me know, because all the ones that I've seen are super expensive or I have to custom make one. But yes. So here's the first thing. This is like a base, and then this is to go on it. Oh, it's really thick. See how thick that is? But here is the picture, I guess. And then you're supposed to bend this so that it can hold up like a picture frame. But I don't know if I will do that. And then I actually don't know what this is for. It's for something. And then here is the lucky card. So it has a number on here right under where my thumb is. I don't know if that's anything special, so I'm gonna keep it covered for now. But here's all their signatures on the back. Really, I mainly bought it for this, the puzzle. But yes. So that's just everything in the puzzle. I will try to get this in frame. I doubt it because it's super big. It is also like it's not really matte, but it's not really glossy either. It's like it's on photo paper. So, but here is my attempt at getting at least all of their faces in frame. I'm glad it only folded on Doyoung's face, but you can't really tell. And then on the bottom it has their signatures. Yes, that is a poster. Alright, and now I will move on to Doyoung's version. Alright, here's Doyoung's version. As you guys may or may not know, obviously Doyoung is my NCT bias. He is currently my ultimate bias, so of course I had to buy his puzzle. Oh wait, sorry. Forgot to show you the box. So once again, the puzzle all in a bag. I might do it. I might do it because I will be bored. Here is the puzzle glue again. And then the stuff. So here is the picture frame thing, or the picture thing. Super thick. I actually like how thick it is. I think it's the same thickness as the puzzle when you build it, or it might be a bit thicker. But it's like sturdy. Then here's the picture frame. Once again, you'll bend this and then stick the picture frame on it to stand up. Then this piece that I still don't know what it is. And then here is Doyoung's lucky card. And then his poster. Oh gosh, I am not gonna be able to fit this in frame. So here it is sideways. Very glorious. I will try my best to get at least his face in. Oops, so that is his face. And then his signature is down here in the corner. If you can see that, I folded it, but yeah. Here's a little random thing, because I bought this with my puzzles, and so it took a long time to get, but I finally have NCT's mini light stick as well. It is so cute. Oh my gosh, you guys. I'm so excited I bought this. I should have bought two. But it actually comes with a pull tab right here, but I already opened it. But here's the box. And then here's the mini light stick. It's so cute. And then you push this. Oh, there you go. As you can see, it lights up. Yes. Ah, it's so cute. So yeah, here's a little, it's just a little random unboxing of these that I decided to do. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.